both yesterday and today, two separate issues were raised. Yesterday, the issue which was raised, maybe in terms of strict legalisms, I may be tending to agree with Mr. Anand Sharma. But that was a circular which the Election Commission had brought out in January 2014. So don't link it up with today. I think that clarification should go.
Yeah.
And therefore, if therefore the Election Commission is to be represented, all political parties can take a view whether it's correct or otherwise. And let me say, with regard to the issue you have indicated today, please get instructed correctly. In that resort where your MLAs are staying, no search has taken place, no MLA has been searched, a particular individual was to be searched. He had gone and parked himself in that resort. So the authorities, because they had to confront him with the recoveries, they had gone to get him to his residence so that he could be adequately questioned by the authorities outside. As of today, as of now, they have taken him to his residence and there is no tax official at the resort. No search at the resort has taken place. No search on any MLA has taken place. A particular minister of Karnataka was being searched. Since he had gone and parked himself in the resort certainly is not an immunity area where he can get an immunity from the laws. And therefore, they have gone there to take him to his residence. He has been now taken to his residence and is being interrogated as his residence.
The finance minister has said, I will say with due respect, it is becoming increasingly a trend to brazenly abuse state power and the agencies of the state, whether it's the Enforcement Directorate, whether it is the IT, or whether it is the CBI. Now the timing is important and significant. And the place. Because it is this minister who was coordinating the safety and security.
There is a search on 39 locations, not on this resort. Since he voluntarily chose to park himself in the resort, they were duty-bound to get him from there to his residence.
If there were any issues...
And mind you, whether it's a use or an abuse will depend on the nature of recoveries.
Sir,
it won't depend on where he has parked himself.
I'm not getting into that area. If there were issues, there are ways the agencies function, whether the notices are given, whether the person has done something which is violative of law. But the time, the place, the venue, but more important, it is this minister who, and the purpose. Everybody knows, it's in public domain, that the minister and his brother, who is an elected representative, have been coordinating the safety and the stay of the Gujarat MLAs. That's why it is a targeted timing. No, I'm not saying. It's the timing.
Does that give him an immunity from taxation laws?
How can
Does that give him a right to accumulate crores of rupees?
Is this to convey a message? This is the way. This is the way the state is conveying a message that forget about anything else. The person who is facilitating even the stay can be targeted and his residence raided and he raided. Sir, I'm sorry to say, it is not a coincidence. If Finance Minister, we respect you, if you say that this is a coincidence that it happened today, it happened in Bangalore, it happened against a person, then I'm sorry, this thing will not buy. This targeted... अरे बाढ़ में तो देखिए देश में बाढ़ आती है तो प्रधानमंत्री विदेश में जाते हैं। आपके विधायकों को वापस ले जाए तो आपके अगवा कर ले। आपके गुजरात के एमपीज यहाँ बैठे हैं, क्यों नहीं गए बाढ़ में?
Okay, that's all.
सबरकांठा में
Okay.
एमपी बैठे हैं, रूपाला
all right. Let me now.
बैठे हैं।
Okay, let me now.
एमएलए को बोल रहे हैं।
Let me tend to.